Noong 2013, I entered the Philippine market. And I'm not selling anything nor plan to sell any course or coaching. I didn't even imagine that I would be coaching. I'm simply blogging, sharing what helped me quit my job and launch an online business. Back then kasi, puro foreign content lang ang available. And as I keep talking about my market's problem and how to solve it, more and more people are asking for help. So gumawa ko ng audio product. Recording lang yun ang boses ko ha, wala pang video nun. Now, hindi ko ginawa yun para kumita ng milyon o yun ang nasa sa isip ko. I did that para tanggalin ang isang specific na challenges at frustration ng Philippine market. Ano yun? Yung hindi ko alam paano mag-start ng online business sa Pilipinas. At yung audio program na ginawa ko, that generated over 9 million pesos na nirecord ko lang sa bedroom ko ha. At nung una, hindi pa nga downloadable yun eh. CD pa yon with a printed manual na ipadadala ko sa bahay mo. Now, that happened hindi dahil magaling ako or maswerte ako. Pero dahil may problema akong na-solve na hindi na-solve ng iba.